Step right into our grand display of kitchen products, where we'll reveal game-changing innovations to elevate your culinary journey. From ingenious tools that simplify meal prep to powerful cleaning solutions for a sparkling kitchen, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in and discover the magic. Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. Adjust-A-Cup. Meet the Adjust-A-Cup, a modern marvel in the world of measuring cups. This ingenious canister lets you customize your measurements to perfection. Gone are the days of fumbling with multiple cups and spoons. Its unique waterproof seal allows you to measure liquids, semi-solids, and solids with unparalleled accuracy. From a cup of flour to a dollop of peanut butter, get precise measurements effortlessly. The icing on the cake? The convenient press-to-pour feature for mess-free serving. Automatic can opener. Say goodbye to traditional can openers with the Kitchen Mama can opener. Embrace the future of can opening with this automatic wonder. Simply attach it to the can, press the button, and watch the magic unfold. No more struggling with manual openers or sharp edges that can lead to accidents. Our can opener ensures a smooth and safe opening process, leaving you more time to focus on creating culinary masterpieces. Veggie Scissors. Up next, let me introduce you to an ingenious chef product, which has a fantastic design. It's like a combination of knife scissors and a veggie slicer, all in one sleek package. Picture a set of kitchen shears with a clever twist. The bottom part features a built-in cutting board. This innovative design lets you chop and slice with ease, without the need for a separate cutting board. Veggie Slicer. Introducing the ultimate kitchen companion. This remarkable tool effortlessly tackles various tasks, making chopping herbs a breeze and slicing carrots and cucumbers as easy as a walk in the park. It's perfect for preparing food for kids, creating delightful meals with ease. The versatility of this product unlocks a world of creative possibilities in your kitchen. Mueller Pro-Series 10-in-1. Now let's move on to the incredible chopping tool known as the chopping box. You've probably spotted this trendy gadget everywhere, and at first, we were skeptical too. But after thorough research, we found a promising version that exceeded our expectations. Using the chopping box is a delightful kitchen experience. It works like magic, delivering perfectly diced ingredients in no time. It outperforms hand dicing, and the added convenience of being dishwasher safe and easy to store was a pleasant surprise, revolutionizing diced salads and soups. However, if your culinary style doesn't involve much slicing and dicing, it may not be essential for your kitchen arsenal. But for those seeking creative and efficient meal prep, this chopping box is a game changer. Meat Smasher. Moving on to the next gem, the Meat Smasher. Despite the peculiar name, it's perfect for dishes featuring ground meat. A delightful weekly treat. When cooking ground meat, it often clumps together, leading to an inconvenience when using a spatula for chopping. Fear not. This clever tool allows you to press down and twist, ensuring the meat remains evenly ground. What's more surprising is its versatility. It can also handle mashing potatoes and chopping eggs for that delicious egg salad. Scrub Daddy's Power Paste. Now on to a cleaning product, the Scrub Daddy's Power Paste. This fantastic chemical-free cleaning and polishing compound comes with a sponge. The container cleverly holds the paste and sponge together for easy use. The Power Paste's natural grit works wonders when combined with the Scrub Daddy sponge, effectively removing stubborn residues and grime. We love using it in the kitchen for tough, baked-on grease or residue in the sink. It's perfect for pots, pans, ovens, stovetops, and even microwaves. The combination of Scrub Daddy and Power Paste is a game changer. Scrub Daddy Sponge. While we're on the topic of Scrub Daddy, let's talk about one of their absolute success story products, the Scrub Daddy Sponge. Its famous smiley face holes serve more function than just mere aesthetics, as the mouth is used to scrape food off spoons, forks, and knives. Use the two eye holes to squeeze your fingers in and twist while scrubbing the inside of cups or narrow dishes. It has two amazingly effective modes, where you can opt to use cold water to keep the exterior nice and hard for a deep clean scrub with pots, pans, and other cooking hardware with tough grime. Or you can use warm water to soften up the sponge and get into tight corners of food containers. The amazing thing about this scrub is that it reverts back to its stiff exterior once dried up, leaving it firm and ready for the next use. Lastly, let's talk about an organizational product called TidyWraps. It's perfect for small kitchen appliances like blenders, air fryers, and KitchenAid mixers. Keeping cords well managed in cabinets can make a significant difference in maintaining an organized space. TidyWraps are specifically designed to stick onto appliances with a designated spot for the outlet, preventing cords from hanging loosely. We found them to be more effective than command cord bundlers for small appliances. When you're done using an appliance, simply wrap the cord around it and voila! A tidy and well-organized kitchen cabinet. We hope you've been inspired by these ingenious tools and solutions that promise to enhance your cooking adventures. From effortless chopping to powerful cleaning, we've uncovered some game-changing gems that will truly elevate your culinary experience. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.